So we got these mini green peppers for $1.
This is one of my mom's favorite simple recipes. It's steamed green peppers with ground pork topped with oyster sauce.
We have these mini green peppers, so they're ideal for stuffing. Cut the top off first, and then cut the green peppers lengthwise. So just take out the middle of the green pepper with your knife. These are the ingredients that we will need. So you have 6 ounces of minced pork, half a cup of chopped Chinese sausage, and half a cup of chopped Chinese mushrooms. The mushrooms have been soaked for at least an hour, probably more, depending on the type of mushroom. So put in about half a teaspoon of salt. So you put in half a teaspoon of chicken soup base. Put in half a teaspoon of sesame oil. So sesame oil has a nice fragrance and flavor. So put in about a teaspoon of light soy sauce, and then put in 1 egg as a binder. So just use a pair of chopsticks or a fork and mix all the ingredients together. And also for color, put in say half a cup of green onions. Just put a little cornstarch on the inside of each green pepper, so this will help bind the stuffing to the green pepper. So just have a nice dish that you can use to steam in. So I like the when you cut it in half this way, it actually looks really nice. But the other end doesn't look so good. So it's only looking good on one side. So we did it both ways, just to let you see. So my mom actually makes things pretty quick, so my camera is always behind her. So that's the last one there. Okay. We got some water boiling in a pan. One of my viewers asked me if it's better to put a sort of a wire bracket. So this time we are using a wire bracket. So you don't have to, but it probably makes it more even cooking when you put a bracket in there like that.
Steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Then add a little oyster sauce just before serving. There you have it, steamed green peppers with pork. A simple, tasty dish. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my channel. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. And please give me a thumbs up for this video. And if you'd like to check out more videos, just click over here or over here. And please subscribe by clicking over here.